Today I am reviewing the RAK universal socket tool. I had this guy sent to me to test out, and I've been looking forward to it because I really like having a hand tool when I'm doing some torquing or if I'm taking something off or screwing it in. And what I liked about this guy is that, well, A, the claim is bold, it's universal, which I do like. We have one of these socket heads, maybe you've seen these before, where it could just fit around a number of nuts. That's really going to depend upon how big the nut is, because some really big ones, right, you're trying to take out some lug nuts, probably not. If you're trying to take out an axle nut, this is not going to be for you. But all the usual habitual work that you'll have around a car, I'm mostly using it around my K-Truck, some other ones. It works great. They already give you some bits. You have a few very common ones, whether it's flathead, whether it's Phillips, or even some square. What I liked more than anything was that you could switch directions on it. So when you do have them, it's very ergonomic, fits in the hand ridiculously well. You can really feel it, and when I was working with it, I love how much torque he gave me when I was taking nuts off or bolting them on. And also right here, you can switch whether you're tightening, loosening, or whether you just want it fixed. So I could just go in the middle, and now it doesn't ratchet either way. Alternatively, I have it ratcheting to the left or to the right, lefty loosey, righty tighty. So overall, as a tool, as a hand tool, I find it very convenient. I love above all that also that they give you a case for it, because that's one thing that drives me nuts is when I have tools and I have to find bags or satchels, and then I don't know what's inside sometimes. I lose track. Here it says right on top, I know exactly what I have. On the back gives me a nice little breakdown of all what's included. Has a little latch on the front so I know nothing is getting away. And everything also has a little mold on the inside. Personally, when I do use it, although I like those few bits they gave me, I've also been using it with something like this. A socket set that would usually go with an impactor. But again, with something like this kind of hand tool, this works great, and this gives me a lot more mileage. They already give you one adapter in here, so you do have an adapter that goes from the basic 1/4 inch to 3/8, which is excellent. Then I pair it with this, and I just have so much more accessibility for when I'm working and I don't want to be using a power tool, or I can't get a power tool into the space. So great little hand tool to have, very easy to pair with a number of other things, and a great little asset, whether you're working on the car, you're working at home, you're a plumber. So if you guys are on the fence, hopefully this helped and you know what you're getting out of it. So far my experience has been positive, and that's been over, just a couple of jobs, but no complaints yet.